Welcome back, YouTube. My name is Josh with Debt to Dollars, where we cover everything from credit to investing, which will lead you to a life of financial freedom. Before we get started, make sure to hit the subscribe button down below so you can be the first one to be alerted when a new video comes out. Today, I'm going to cover the Amex Platinum Welcome Bonus offer, which you can take full advantage of, and right now, it's actually at 60,000 points.
That's what I'm talking about!
Now, according to the points guy, each Amex point is worth 2 cents, which makes that 60,000 bonus points offer a value of $1,200. And best of all, I put a link down in the description below, which will allow you to click that and take full advantage and apply for this card.
Okay.
All right, let's go into detail around this welcome bonus and how you can get it. Now, to get the welcome bonus, you'll need to apply for the card and get approved via the link below. Additionally, it says here that you need to spend $5,000 in 3 months to receive the welcome bonus. Right now, however, there's a special offer going on that extends the minimum spend for the welcome bonus for an additional 3 months. So that means that you have 6 months to meet the minimum spend requirements when typically it's 3 months, and that's what I had to do. Now, this is only valid for new applicants until May 31st, so make sure to take full advantage of this now. To make things even better, with the referral link that's in the description below, you can apply and get an answer on your approval in as little as 30 seconds. So what can you do with the 60,000 points? All right, so there's a number of different methods on how you can actually spend these 60,000 points. To be specific, there are 6 different methods on the Amex membership rewards page that are shown here, and I'm going to go over each one of these 6 methods as well as let you guys know how far those 60,000 points will get you. So the first method is the cover your charges. So as you can see here, there's 2 different charges that I've recently put on my card, one for an energy bill and one at Walgreens. So I can actually use my points and click these, and instead of paying for these on my statement, Amex will actually use those points and give me a credit. So as you can see here, if I click both of these, I'll receive $89.76 of credit on my next statement. Now, unfortunately, the points don't get you that far because for each single point, it's worth $0.006. So that's 6,000ths of a dollar per point. And on some of these other methods that we'll see, you can typically get 1 cent per point, or you can get even up to 2 or 3 cents per point. The second method here is pay with points at checkout. There's some featured partners here such as PayPal, Grubhub, and Amazon. And really all this is whenever you go to your cart on Amazon, let's say, it will show you before you check out that you can apply your points if your Platinum card's already linked to your account. So instead of having a credit card transaction come to your card, you can just pay with points, and Amazon, Grubhub, or any of these other featured partners will just draw from that points account, and you won't even see the charge hit your card. Point value is similar to cover your card charges. However, I have seen it go up to 1 cent per point. So it's slightly higher, but typically it's still that $0.006 per point. The third method is redeem for gift cards. The point value is slightly higher on this, so most of these gift cards, especially the featured gift cards that are shown here, you'll receive 1 cent per point. So for 60,000 points, and if you used all those points for gift cards, you could get a $600 gift card. The fourth and by far the most valuable method is the book or upgrade travel using amextravel.com. And this allows you to use your points on amextravel.com for flights, hotels, cars, and cruises. And the points value is the highest out of these 6 methods. So typically you'll see 1 cent per point. However, on most featured airlines such as Delta, you'll typically see 2 or 3 cents per point. So what that means is that your 60,000 points could actually be equivalent to $1,200 up to $1,800 for some airlines or some hotel vendors. The fourth method is the transfer points method, and this lets you to transfer points to participating loyalty programs such as Hilton Honors or Marriott Bonvoy. Here are some of the featured loyalty programs that you can transfer your points to. And usually it's a 1-for-1 transfer. So as you can see here for Air Canada and Air France, 1,000 Amex points is equivalent to 1,000 Air France or Air Canada points. Now for some of these, like Air Mexico, you'll actually get 1,000 points to 1,600 points. And I have seen this go up to a 1-to-2 ratio. So for some airlines, I've seen on Delta before, that 1,000 Amex points is equivalent to 2,000 Delta points. The last method here is the Go Shopping. And so this connects you to marketplaces where you can spend your points directly with those brands, and you're able to receive products just by using your points. So to give you an idea what's on this marketplace, we'll go through a couple here. They have everything from iPads, headphones, treadmills, Apple TVs and TVs, and so on. So there's a lot of stuff packed into this marketplace, and I've seen the point value higher than the cover your card expenses method, as well as some of the pay with points at checkout methods. And normally you'll see that one reward point is equivalent to 7 thousandths of a dollar. So that's $0.007.
The bottom line.
The bottom line, guys, is this Amex Platinum card is packed with benefits, and this $1,200 value won't be here for long, so you have to take full advantage of it. Now, this $1,200 can get you a flight internationally for free, or it could even get you a couple nights at a 5-star hotel. I understand that the Amex Platinum is not for everyone, and that annual fee is $550. It is a lot of money. So for those individuals who are looking for more of an everyday spending card, I recommend the Amex Gold card, which I've also made a video on the 5 reasons why you need it, and I'm gonna put that in the cards above too. The welcome bonus is slightly smaller. It's at 40,000 points, so roughly $400 to $800 depending on how you look at it. But you'll have no problem maximizing the benefits that come with the card, as well as meeting the minimum spend requirements, which are also lower than the Amex Platinums. As always, thank you guys for watching. I hope you learned something new today, and if you did, please hit the like button down below to support the channel. And additionally, if you want to see more videos around Amex Platinum, Amex Gold, anything American Express, and credit cards, make sure to subscribe so you're the first one to see the videos when they come out. Alright guys, I'll catch y'all next time.